channel. We are vlogging. I'm not like fully in the mood to vlog, but like something's telling me to vlog. I don't know. So right now I am getting ready to go out for Caravana. I don't like big crowds. I'm not really going to Caravana. I'm going to a party, but it is Caravana weekend. I don't even know why I'm going. I'm going because it looks like it's gonna be a good time. And I think this is a crowd that I can handle. And the music is my vibe, so like me and my girl are going. It's a very humid day. And obviously I'm wearing my hair curly. I definitely washed it and I was like, no way I'm wearing my hair straight. It's not gonna last. I'm still wearing my V part, but like it's kind of time to give her a break. I think I'm gonna get a sew-in next week, a curly sew-in, because this month of August, like I just know it's gonna be hot and humid. It's been really humid recently. I'm gonna try this dream coat for curly hair. This is supposed to be like an anti-humidity thing. Where go my perfect frizz-free curls. I tried this on my natural hair and it wasn't like the best, but I think I'm gonna use this and then some wet line, and I feel like we should be Gucci. Also too, like some advice, if you ever get a V part, take care of her. Like I was basically wearing her like every day. Basically just pulled out a bunch of hair. I wasn't really taking care of her. Like I was just slapping her around. Yeah, I advise you guys to really detangle every wash period, which I did, but like really well, especially around here, the nape of your neck, because it's always rubbing and getting tangled there. So I just feel like I didn't every wash day, and now, I mean, obviously it's going to get to a point where you're going to have to replace it, which I'm going to replace her in a bit, like probably after I get my sew-in. My curly hair routine up right now. Also, I had forgot to link what hair I was using, but I think I should have it updated by now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna shingle this hair too. Okay, so I have her pretty flat. I sprayed this, but I think I'm gonna do another, because you're supposed to technically soak the hair. This hair won't be going anywhere today. And I think I want to go for like a wet look, because it's actually kind of like a pool party we're going to, so I don't mind the non-voluminous curls look. We're like 80% dry, and it's pretty like tamed. It's about to get crunchy in a bit, which I feel like I want. And I shouldn't be outside for the next 2 or 3 hours, so hopefully it fully dries. I really should have done this last night, but I was like way too tired. Okay, so this is the final look. Ooh, we're nice and glowy because we use like the Neutrogena oil. This little dress from Aritzia. And I'm like torn if I should wear the bucket hat. I feel like it's a little extra with the bucket hat, but then I feel like I have to be extra in times like this. I think I'm gonna take it. I can always take it off, if anything. Yeah, so cute.
Is this for YouTube?
Yes. Look how good she looks. Take in the brown lip. It just, everything just comes together.
I actually did my makeup today.
Yeah, it looks so great. And we complement each other so well.
Oh, the lighting is really great.
Yeah, right?
Hmm.
Okay, super cute. Bye. Am I feeling pink or blue bikini? I think I'm gonna wear this like vintage baby skirt. So like the blue might be too matchy, but like kind of a vibe. Cause pink's my favorite color and I don't want to overdo it sometimes. I might wear that pink bag. We'll see. Or the green one with the blue. Because it's like a pool party. I'm not trying to wear like a designer bag. These like Prada sunglasses. And then I feel like I need a bucket hat. And for once, what's cute, I'm bringing you guys along. And I'm sure you guys can fit in this bag. So, yeah. Bye. I'm back. Like I was just not in the mood to film at someone else's house. Like maybe I would have filmed at my own, but like the look, I ended up taking off the bucket hat. vibe. I changed the bag because I was like, suede bag, water, maybe not. I booked my sew-in for Thursday. I feel like I'm like at this like awkward. That's the thing. I need to like learn to like take you guys out a little bit more. But at the same time too, when I meet people like for the first time, I don't really want to put a camera in the face, you know? And like some of the people at this pool party, like I was meeting for the first time, so I'm like, let me not pull a camera out. People will be like, this girl needs to chill. But like once I'm like comfortable with people, then I'll bring it. Like you guys can see like my best friend like all the time. Like I will probably post it more. But yeah, people don't always want to be on camera, so I have to respect that. And yeah, I'm gonna clean up. What else am I doing this weekend? I think I'm gonna go to the movies. And we're gonna do some other stuff, so yeah.
She's back on the vlog.
So I just did my first sew-in. I need to fix my bangs, but she did a pretty good job.
No, not yet.
Oh. How's your day going? Today was like a very chill day. Last couple days were very chill. A little bit emotional. Like literally every time I'm about to be on my period, like it's just like I'm already naturally a very dramatic person. Just around that time, I just shut the world off because I don't want to say anything to someone I'm gonna regret. I don't want to start bawling my eyes out in front of someone. But I will say I'm not one of those people who like blames their period for their poor actions and stuff, so I keep to myself. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to the movies. I'm gonna watch This Ends With Us. Please let me know what that movie's about. The trailer said absolutely nothing. It did a whole lot without doing anything at all. Blake Lively's in it. Obviously the OG. Obviously she's the girl. It seems like it's gonna be like a heartfelt love movie. Is it like a sequel to something that I'm unaware of? I don't watch movies. The last movie I watched was the Barbie movie. I'm not even gonna hold you. But I'm literally just putting concealer under my eye. Like I'm gonna be like chill. Yeah. I'm like totally doing better. I brought you guys outside yesterday or 2 days ago when I got my hair done. Oh, my hair. I'm liking it. I'm still like needing to figure out like how to deal with my leave out, but I think I figured it out. She did such a good job, may I add, like with the layers. I was nervous she was gonna make my hair too full and too big, but like it's so good. Like this is mine. It's coming from my scalp, babes. Like I'll leave her handle down below in the description box, but the layers, it's here. But I will say my bangs are still short, so she did like the twisting. She had twisted my bangs around her finger, like finger coiled. She finger coiled my bangs, which I didn't love because they shrunk up too much, but I just stretched them out a bit and it's so much better. Top tier layers though. Like I'm sewing girly. Naturally I knew I was gonna always be a sewing girly because I used to do it in high school a lot, but the V part was nice, like a good introduction, and I might get another V part like when I'm in a rush, but sew-ins really do it. Now this curly sew-ins exist. This world, we living in the future. Super happy. But yeah, so for my bangs, I used my favorite like elongating gel which is by Alikay Naturals. It's the lemongrass line. And then I kind of like laid like here with a wax stick and brushed it through. But you can't really do it while your hair is dripping wet, because if it's dripping wet, then your bangs are really gonna shrink back up. It's kind of gotta be damp-ish. Maybe I'll do a tutorial one time on it, but I'm still figuring it out. But this hair goes crazy. It's like I want to tell you what hair it is, but I don't want to tell you what hair, because I'm not trying to like give free promo, you know? But like, I'll give you a hint. It's, yeah. Yeah, the girlies on TikTok say this hair is good, and this hair is good. I'll link it down below for you guys because I love you guys. But yeah, I'm not trying to say it out loud. And like, I'm getting better at like taking you guys out. Like, who am I? It's just that like, I'm going to a theater, and if I have this camera in my hand, they're gonna you won't see me again. Maybe I'll record on my regular phone. Toodles. This is the fit, just very simple. This Balenciaga denim cut waist jacket. I haven't worn her in so long. And then we're gonna wear a matching bag by Balenciaga, and then just this like jumpsuit that I wore the other day from Garage. Yeah, just comfy in case it's cold. I have this like big jacket, and hair is still thriving. It's so good. I just need to like, it's too flat at the top. Like I feel like I need to put it in a bun and have it shake down, and it would be perfect, but it's pretty good.
Everything will end. We may not make it out of this alive, buddy.
I didn't bring the camera.
Your time is gone.
Nope. Yes. Yes.
I ordered a regular, but I think they gave me a large. How sweet. Everyone's just having good vibes. Yesterday like was such a good fun time after the movies. Like, we just like were all in the car and like blasting music and like singing songs. It was like such a like one of those just like really cutesy summer nights. Gonna eat this burrito. First of all, that movie was a doozy. Give me a break. And I knew it. I knew it. Like I told you, the trailer was a whole lot of nothing. And I knew it because I was like, y'all just putting this movie on because Blake Lively is it. And like, rightfully so. We all went because of her. But I am an honest person, and that movie was a 5 out of 10. Blake Lively, as much as I love her as an actress, do I think she's an amazing actress? No. Half the time she's playing the same character. And it's crazy because I thought that, and then I went on TikTok today, and that's all I saw the girlies saying. I read books, but I'm not really into fiction stuff. Like, they always get their panties in a bunch when, like, the movie is not portraying the book accurately. I think that happened in Twilight with, what is that, Kristen Dunst or whoever? I don't follow celebrities, so, like, please, like, I don't know. I just don't really care about their lives. They don't care about mine. Funny, because she's another actress who basically plays the same character in every film herself. But they were hyping over the Twilight series and how I think it wasn't as accurate, and the same thing's happening with it. So I know the book girlies can get their panties in a bunch, but genuinely, I am unbiased. I have not read the book. I'm not a major fan of movies, or like I'm not super obsessed with Blake. And that movie was bad. It wasn't that good. It wasn't horrible, but like it's a chill on the couch at home with Netflix, you know? Watch it on Netflix. It's like a baby. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Stay tuned for the next vlog. So excited. We got hooked up with reservations to Nobu Toronto, and it's like totally all booked up for this opening month. So I'm gonna do that. I have so many other plans for this upcoming week, so a lot of going out, and I'm gonna take you there with me. I love you guys so much, and take care.